What's happening? I am back with two of my good friends. Jess, what's happening?
Hey, what's happening?
And the man, the myth, the legend back there, Matt Davis. We're about to go hit up perch and walleye, but we're doing something a little special today. We're riding in style today. You'll see it in the clips here, but we're about to smash some fish, cruising in style, courtesy of Jess.
That's right.
Yeah, let's go do this. Later. All right, my first fish in the snow bear. Woo! Decent sized perch here. Yeah, this is awesome. This snow bear thing, I can get used to this. This thing is so freaking nice. I don't know if I'm able to fish out of my hub again. I really don't know. So, yeah. So Jess, tell me, what is your favorite feature about the snow bear?
You know, I'm kind of a wuss when it comes to the cold, so being able to be out here and be sweating my tits off, sitting in here jigging, like, it's the best feeling in the world.
Yeah, I have to agree. This is fishing in comfort like this, and with mobility.
Yeah, I was gonna say, on a more fishing technology kind of words, just being able to be like, you know what, I don't like this spot, and up and move anytime you want, like, that's the best.
Yep. What about you, buddy?
My favorite thing is that Jess is here. And that she invited me along.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah, she invited us along. We're like so happy, like, yes, this is awesome.
Woo!
Get the deucer for you.
Yeah, fish.
Nice. There you go.
He's just a little guy.
That?
Actually,
Yeah,
it's a little small. Yeah.
Hi, Perchy. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice perch. Cool. Yeah.
Nice one.
Nice.
Go ahead.
Oh snap! We got a double! Oh, triple! Oh!
Triple!
Yeah! Just bring her up. I got it. Oh!
with the backup.
Oh, that's a nice one right there.
That's a good one.
Okay, right there. Do it again. Yeah. There you go.
I want to see.
Oh man.
Finally.
He hooked up into a nice perch there.
You want a girl to help you?
Yeah.
Yes.
There we go. Look at that. Nice. Nice fish, man.
Yeah. Holy, coming in hot. Who's that?
Oh, that's Game Fish.
Yeah, that's.
Howdy.
Hey, how's it going,
Hey,
man?
how's it going, man?
Good. How's it?
Come on in.
Oh, yeah, come on in. Yeah.
Don't let out the heat.
I just had a bite.
How are you doing?
Good. How are you?
Yeah.
We're doing okay.
Yeah.
Like, got a couple perks, a lot of small ones.
Yep.
Okay. How many you guys have? Do you know?
Oh,
Nowhere near what our limit,
Yeah.
probably.
Maybe 10?
if that, like
That?
6 or 7 maybe.
6 or 7, maybe.
Yeah.
All
Yeah.
right.
How's everybody else doing?
Yeah.
Same thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Slow.
Yeah.
No big
very
ones?
No, those are about the size I've been seeing for everybody.
Really?
So.
Because every time we think about moving, we start catching a couple,
Yeah.
like,
Yeah.
Yeah.
you know, and then we were like, well, we catch one here and there, one there, and then
Oh, you feel decent. Good. Nice hit take.
decent. Yeah, small. So like that's the average kind of size that we've. Cold out there today, huh?
Oh yeah. It is not warm.
No. I got a 4-wheeler. I was gonna go. I was out on Audubon yesterday,
Check this out.
and they didn't even.
You sucker.
That's awesome.
You know you think you're a big deal when you got your own picture on it? I always have so many makeup selfies on here. I'm like, I can't.
Body.
There you go.
So.
That's a good one.
That's a good fish.
All right.
Good
I'll let
one.
you guys get back to it.
Thanks,
you.
man.
Oh!
Yeah.
See ya.
That sucks.
That sucks, man. That's alright.
We're like, oh.
So yeah, we just got visited by a game and fish guy. You know, just shows that we weren't doing anything illegal. You know, we're just hanging out. You know, but you know, it's good to see that not all the game and fish guys are
Meanies.
meanies or
Unpolite.
unpolite. He was really cool. He's actually giving us some fishing tips in some areas where people are catching fish. So just to shows that there's some good guys out there. Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you never know when you'll get checked. So
Yeah.
follow
Never
the
know.
law.
Always be prepared. Yeah.
Yep.
And you miss fish too.
Oh, there goes my windshield. Or my wiper.
Oh, it's fall off.
No, it just unfroze.
Oh.
There we go.
That sucks.
Jess, what happened?
Just like always, the good one always gets away. Oh man, that was a nice one. My arm's all soaked now.
Sucks.
Oh, there you go. Come on.
They're coming through now.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got one coming up.
Oh, he tagged that one.
Nice.
That's my fish.
If it's a big one, then yeah. In the filter. No, no.
No.
This little guy. Came screaming though.
Man, that one didn't fight very hard. And then I saw his body and I was like, oh, money.
We're gonna switch to wax worms.
Coming up hot, coming up hot.
There we go.
Come on, let's get a double.
Do you have 2 wax worms or 1?
Just one now. I've been loading them up though with like 2 or 3.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh
Bring 'em
yeah.
up.
Yeah. Woo.
Fucking Theo's getting all the keepers today. Nice.
There's a rule. Nobody
Yeah.
outfishes Miss Walleye in her own freaking snow bear.
I'm sorry. I love you, Jess.
Yeah.
Hard lighting, hopefully. We'll see. Oh man, he just made a diving catch. Oh man.
Get
Hey, look at-
It's bleeding like crazy.
Oh man,
We
nice
might-
fish.
Nice. Good job, Matt.
Oh,
Matt
yeah.
just landed his fish. Oh
Look
yeah.
at that fish.
Nice,
So
cool
nice.
walleye
Beautiful.
Nice,
Nice
beautiful
fish, man.
walleye.
there. Nice man.
Woo woo.
Alright, so we just dove for that big walleye that it showed. I mean, he made a big mess. We got minnows, waxies everywhere, but it was worth it.
We got a big walleye.